Implants for dental purposes have been an increasingly popular option for replacement of missing teeth. They offer an enduring and natural alternative to dentures and bridges. But the price of dental implants can differ greatly dependent on where you're situated. In this clip, we'll compare the costs of dental implants across Europe as well as Turkey in order to assist you in making the right decision on the best place to have this procedure completed. Europe is renowned for its top-quality medical system, however it comes with the cost of healthcare. Implants for dental purposes in those of the UK, Germany, and France could cost anything between €1,000 and €3,000 for an implant. The cost can quickly increase if you require several implants, which can be expensive for many patients. However, Turkey has been gaining recognition as the go-to location for dental implants that are affordable. Dental implants cost in Turkey is considerably lower in comparison to Europe, and prices range between €500 up to €1,500 for an implant. This is what makes Turkey an appealing option for those looking to cut costs without sacrificing in quality. One of the primary factors behind the low price of dental implants in Turkey is the low costs of living and work within Turkey. Dental clinics can provide competitive rates, but without compromising the standard of treatment. Additionally, many dental centers located in Turkey have state-of-the-art equipment and highly skilled personnel, which ensures that patients get top-quality treatment for a fraction of the price. Another benefit of having dental implants to be placed in Turkey is the chance to mix your dental care along with a relaxing holiday. Turkey is renowned for its stunning scenery as well as its rich culture and welcoming hospitality. This makes it an extremely popular destination for tourists. A lot of dental centers located in Turkey provide packages which include airport transportation accommodations as well as excursions, which allows patients to have relaxing treatments. If you are considering where to purchase dental implants, it's crucial to consider not only the price but also the level of the care provided and the expertise of dental specialists. Clinics located in Turkey typically are accredited by international organizations and have certifications which ensure that they follow the strict standards of hygiene and safety. A lot of dentists in Turkey are also fluent in English well, which makes it easier for patients from abroad to express their requirements and issues. While Europe can provide exceptional healthcare, however, the expense of dental implants could be expensive for the majority of patients. Turkey offers a low-cost option that doesn't compromise on the quality of care, which makes it a desirable alternative for patients seeking to cut costs on the cost of dental care. Because of its low costs, top-quality treatment, and stunning surroundings, Turkey is quickly becoming the top option in terms of dental tourism. Explore your options and comparing prices for dental implants across Europe as well as Turkey to determine the most suitable solution for you.